suicida. ¿Sí? ¿Sí?
No, 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 esta. Entonces, ¿de quién es esta? ¿De quién?
No, esta. ¿Es suave esta, eh? Está al frente. ¿Verdad? Pero esto se, Katy, esto se levanta. Esto tiene, mira. Eso, esas son bolsas de aire. Esas las levanta. Eso tiene eso, ¿por qué se la levanta? La puede levantar. Mira, Pati, como que tenían. Como que llegó tu papá en Impala. Mira como este. ¿Pero qué le era? ¿Cuántos puertos, o era dos? Sí, era, se metían por ahí. Sí, era igual que este. Era igual que este.
No me acuerdo, no que sí eran de 2 o 4 puertos.
Esta otra ya. Me acuerdo era gold, era doradita.
Next one is 302. 302. Last three.
So we can drive over there because we want to play. We can just drive.
Last three, 302.
We can drive out to your house and take right
Pay
there.
attention to that. You might lose an opportunity to win something nice. So pay attention when you buy raffle tickets. We're going to go to the next one because I ain't even going to call 1, 2, 3 on that. Yeah, I'm sorry. But that's how I'm doing it today. That's how I'm feeling. Next one's 209. By the way, we got the lovely. Ooh, what is that? Ernie and Rosa is in the house, baby. That's what's up right there, man. Thank you guys for coming through. Okay, so the next one is 209. Oh, you got 209? Oh, look at it. Man, who's shaking there? Well, man, what kind of sweater are you wearing? What's that sweater right there? What's that shirt there on there? Man, get your sweater, man. Get your man up. 209. You got it.
Because the lock is off of my all the time. Don't make it so long.
say that. What size is this? What size?
We go down to, I think it's 0 feet to like 10 feet or something like that.
6.
¿Cuánto?
6. Vaya 6.